Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a simple Qigong routine that you can use as your daily practice. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, put your feet firm on the ground, soften your knees and relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders and take a moment to lengthen through your spine upwards. Begin by rubbing your hands together until they feel nice and warm. Then dry wash your hands, taking that warmth to the back and the fingers. Make your hands into loose fists to keep them warm. Begin rotating your body from side to side. Remember to start the momentum from your legs first. Keep your upper body as relaxed as possible and your spine straight. Bring your awareness to your feet and ground yourself, letting go of any worries, tension, and stresses. From here, continue the twisting movement, engaging your legs. Keep your lower back as relaxed as possible. Return back to center and slow it down. Next, we take 4 deep cleansing breaths. Breathe in. Imagine drawing fresh energy into your body. Exhale, expelling old, stagnant chi. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. From here, begin shaking your wrists. Go ahead and lift your elbows and shoulders up. Then go ahead and shake off your entire body. Keep the movement light and gentle, enjoying the experience of letting go and softening your entire body. Go ahead and turn to the side. Slow it down and take a moment to notice how you feel. Pleasant tingling, a sense of aliveness rushing through your body. From here, go ahead and lift your hands up. Look out and press upwards. Relax your neck and shoulders and place your hands directly above the crown of the head and lift yourself as high as you want. Release and slowly come back down. Stay relaxed in your body and in control of the movement. Press out, look up. Release, lifting yourself all the way to the sky. Release and soften your entire body. Continue. Keep your breath relaxed and natural. One more time. Release the position and relax your whole body. Then go ahead and lift your hands through the sides. Exhale, bring your hand through the center, guiding your awareness to your abdomen. We're going to take a couple of deep, comforting breaths into your belly. Go ahead and breathe in. Let your belly expand into your hands. Breathe out, let it contract. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay relaxed in your body while focusing on guiding your breath into your belly. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. From here, move your hands to the lower back. Push your lower back forward. Open your chest to the sky. Look up. Release the position and lean forward. Allow your hands to slide down the back of your legs as low as you wish. Take a moment to lengthen through your spine. Then slowly raise up, guiding your hands on the inner leg. Go ahead and repeat, starting from your abdomen to the lower back. Release and go forward. Allow your hands to slide down the back of your legs. Brush your toes. And then take a moment to lengthen through your back. Slowly raise up, bringing your awareness back to the belly. Go ahead and repeat. This exercise is good if you have kidney or urine bladder problems. It's also a good stretch first thing in the morning. Take a moment to lengthen through your back. Slowly raise up. One more time. Release, then bend forward. Place your hands on the front and slowly raise up. Relax here, then go ahead and circle around your abdomen. Bring your awareness to your belly and the warmth coming from your palms. This exercise is good for digestion, for metabolism, and is very good for the morning practice. Return to navel, Then move your hands to the kidneys. Take a moment to feel a warmth coming from your hands. Gently massage up and down, bringing the energy to your kidneys. And release. To finish, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, come up on your toes, then bounce into your heels, creating a subtle vibration throughout your body. Let your hands flow down the center. Go ahead and repeat. Nice full breath. Exhale, let it flow. One more time, breathe in and out. Relax your hands by the side, soften your entire body. Then go ahead and place both hands just below your navel. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your body. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Relax your hands by the side and finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel nice and energized. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel and enjoy free Qigong videos on YouTube. And if you would like to join me live every Sunday on Zoom and practice longer routines, consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below.